Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Smart Study. So if you are watching first time on my videos, please like and subscribe our channel. His name is called what? Smart Study, and don't forget to click on bell icon. So without any delay, we will see your results of the your exam. The results of the exam mock test number 2 on time and work. Mock test number 2 on time and work. Now see that we will see the question by one. So in this lecture I will give the only options. In the next video it will come on tomorrow at 3 p.m. The same time I will give that all answer. Now in this class I am giving only options, so which are the correct answers, which are the wrong answers, right? So now see that, guys. What is the first number? Question number 1. Read the question once. The question 1: if 10 men can complete a work in 12 days, in how many days 18 men can complete the work? So easy question. The answer for anyone can guess the answer. What is the answer for this question, guys? Anybody can tell that? Answer is B. The question number 1 option is B is the correct answer. Now the question number 2. The question number 2 is: two men and three boys can do a work in 10 days. Three men and two boys can do a work in 18 days. In how many days two men and one boy can do the same work? In how many days, guys? Anybody can tell the answer? Pause the video and tell me your answer. Your answer is, what is the answer? 12.5 is the correct answer. And go for the question number 3. The question number 3 is: three men or four women can do a piece of work in 43 days. In how many days seven men and five women can do the same work? In how many days? Tell me the answer. So answer for this question, what's the answer? 12, right? And next question, question number 4. Yes, see the question number 4. A twice as good workman as B, and together they finish a piece of work in 18 days. In how many days will A alone can finish the work? In how many days A alone can finish the days? How many days, guys? Can anybody tell me the answer? What is the answer for this? 27. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. A can do a piece of work in, just hold it 1 second. A can complete a piece of work in 9 days and B in 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternately, in how many days work would be finished if A begins the work? So I already completed this problem in the classroom session in the last previous video. The answer for this question, can anybody guess the answer? Answer is A, 10 1 by 4 days. Next question number 6. Zoom it. Yes. Now read the question. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? A can do a work in 10 days and that of B in 15 days. Means that A will finish the work in 10 days and B will finish the work in 15 days. B starts work alone, but after 3 days he left. So problem is regarding on what? Joining and leaving. And A joined the work. In how many days will the total work will be finished? How many days the total work will be finished, guys? Answer is for this question 11. Option is C, that is C. Now question number 7. A can complete a work in 20 days and B can complete the same work in 25 days. If they start the work together, but after 5 days A left the work. The problem same on joining and leaving model. The answer for this question, can anybody can tell me the answer? The answer is 18 3 by 4. Answer is 18 3 by 4. Now For the see the question number 8. The question number 8, A and B. Yeah, see, there is no see here. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, and B and C can do it in 15 days, and AC can do it in 20 days. In how many days will A, B, C together finish the work? In how many days they will finish the work? Just take the time is a 1 minute and tell me your answer is the comment box. Tell me your guys your answer in comment box. Everybody tell your answer in comment box. Yeah, I will wait for this question. Just tell me the your answers. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? Answer is 10. That the option is C. Right? Then the next. The problem based on efficiency. A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they working together take complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days? So here guys, A is 30% more efficient than the. From this you can write the equation, and here A single person A alone how many days he will do the work in 23 days. But they are asking the question is, if they work together, then how many days they will can finish the work? That's the question. The question number 9. Now I am giving the time to you. Can you solve anybody? So again I will count the 10 and tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the answer? Can tell me anybody? Comment your answers. Answer is 13. Option is B. The next question. A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days, and BC can do it in 120 days, while AC can do it in 90 days. In how many days A alone can do it? Now again, tell me your answer first, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the answer, guys? What's the answer? Answer is yes. I know that. You also know that. Answer is C. That is 120. The next question. Question number 11. I will zoom the question. Just wait. Yes. Now tell me the answers. The question number 11. A takes twice as much as time as B and thrice as much as time as C finish a piece of work. Okay, from here you have to write one statement. Working together, they can finish the work in 2 days. If A alone can do the work in how many days? A alone. If only single person will do the work, then in how many days A can finish the work? Can anybody tell me that answer? The question is very important. Okay, the question is very important, this question, and those who write the correct answer for this question, there is a surprise prize for only for this question. The question is, I will call their names in the next video. Okay, I will call their names in the next video who will give the answer for this, the 11th question. So I am giving the time is 20 seconds. Okay, take your time and tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Anybody? The correct answer is option E. Here there is no answer in here. All answers are wrong. Correct answer is 12 days. So those who wrote the answer, none of this are the options are not there. For them, I am giving the mark. Okay, the answer for this question is 12. And the question number 12. A man can do a piece of work in 5 days, but with the help of his son, he can do the same work in 3 days. If he alone do that in 8 days, if with the help of his son, he can finish the work in 2 days. In what time can his son alone can do the work? Now tell me the guys the answer for this question. Anybody tell me that answer? What is the answer for this question? Again, I am giving the time to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 7, 1 by 2. That is option number C. Now, question number 13. See the question. A, B, C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. They will complete the work in same work together. They will complete the same work in means that if they work together in how many days they will can finish the work? Is an easy problem. 3 by 7. That's the answer. That is option number C. Now question number 14. A and B can do complete piece of work in 5 days. B plus C can do in 7 days. A plus C can do that 4 days. Who among these will take the least time if put to do it alone? Means that for this question without pen and paper can also you can solve. So what is the answer? Out of A, B, C, who is that? Who will take the least time? A will take the least time. Where is a A? Option number D. That's the answer, right? And the question number last question, 15th question. A can do a piece of work in 4 hours and B, C can together can do in 3 hours while A, C can together can do it in 2 hours. How long B alone can alone take to do it? In how many hours B alone can do complete the guys? Can tell me the anybody answer for this question? I am giving the time. You post your comment, your answers, option C or A or B, whatever it may be. You just write your options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Option is C, that is 12. Then next question number 16. See guys, A can do a certain work in same time in which B and C together can do it. So here you have to write one equation, and A, B can together can do it in 10 days and C alone in 50 days. Then B alone could finish it in B alone can how many days he will finish? So again, I do you want the time? Yes. Yeah, post your comments everybody. Be the active, post your comments everybody. What's the answer guys? Yeah, tell me that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is, what's the answer? Answer is 25 days. Option number C. Right. Then the question number 17. A works twice as fast as B. If B can complete a work in 12 days, the number of days in which A and B can together finish the work in. A and B together can finish the work in how many days? The time starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Option A, that is the 4. Now next question. A does help of as much work as B in 3/4 of the time if together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall B take to do it? A does half as much as, means that A can complete the work, half work as much as B. So on him he can complete the half work is the 3/4 of time. So for this question, what's the answer? Type your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Option is B. Sorry, A, that is 30. Option A, that is 30. The next question. Question number 19. A can finish a work in 24 days, B in 9 days, C in 12 days. B, C start the work but are forced to leave after 3 days. The remaining work was done by A in how many days? That's the option question. So the problem is based on leaving and joining. So what's the answer, guys? Tell me that. For this question, answer is 10 days. Answer is 10 days. Option number C. A can finish a work in 18 days. B can finish a same work in 15 days. Then B worked for 10 days and left the job. In how many days A alone finished the remaining work? In remaining work completed by A in how many days? That is option number C, 6. Right? So the next last 5 questions. If 3 men or 9 women can do a piece of work in 19 days and 3 men and 6 women will do the same work in how many days? Now tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Option number D, that is 15. Now next question. 22. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone and then after 4 days Y joined him till the completion of work. How long did the work last? So work last means total A plus B. So the problem is based on leaving and joining. Now tell me the answer for this question. Can tell anybody the answer? 22. Question number 22. What is the answer? The answer is B, that is 10. The next question. The ratio of work efficiency of A and B is 2:5. If A and B work together and complete the piece of work in 30 days, in how many days the work is completed when A works alone? In how many days? Tell me your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is option B, 105. Then next question. Last but not least, last but one, that is, if the ratio of work efficiency of A and B is 6:5 and that of B and C in 6:5. If A can complete the piece of work in 2 days, in how many days the same work can be completed by B and C separately? So what's the answer? For this question, option is, here you have to first, here there is a first one is B, second one is what? C. So you have to consider first one is related to A and second one is related to B. Like that there are all the options. So your answer is option A and this is the answer, right? And last question. To complete a work, A takes 50% more time than B. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall B take to do it? How much time? Can tell me anybody the answer for this question? Last question answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the answer? Answer is B option and is 30. So those who got the good marks out of 25, how many are correct, how many are wrong? So and tell me your answer, how many marks you got, and write your marks on comment box. Put your marks on comment box and don't forget to subscribe what our channel, that is Smart Study. If you like my videos, please share to your friends also, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.